Good day. Welcome to this presentation of Civil 3D Tips and Tricks session number 1. We are going to take a look at some of the handy tools that will assist you with your efficiency in Civil 3D. Our agenda will look at these following items: how to use the calculator, the RPN calculator, and also how to modify properties on our drawings using the calculator, how we can use syntaxes with other functions, as well as shortcut functions. My name is Lois Otoi. I'm a civil engineer at Tabisa Consulting. This channel is for you, and the topics we cover come directly from questions we get on a daily basis. So if you like what you see, please subscribe to the channel. We also welcome your comments on this video. If there are other topics you would like us to cover, please get in touch by leaving a comment. With that said, let's dive in. We're going to start with the calculator function. So if you just type on your command line, you just go for the calculator. You will see that we do have a basic calculator here, it is a scientific calculator, but also as you can see, it will do a lot of those trigonometrical functions, because at times you find that when we're working, we still need to do a little bit of maths. Also, I think one of the things that I found very useful about this is the ability to do conversions, because most of the time we have to be working with converting from different units, whether it's metric and imperial units. So here you can convert from your feet to your meters, and there you get your answer. But also we do use this calculator quite extensively in the process of doing our drawings. This calculator function also is very useful when you just want to put in an expression. So if we just type in that, it just wants the expression that we want to put. So you say 569 divided by 3. There it gives you the answer there. It's 189.667. The advantage of this is that instead of having to be looking at a calculator and having to again try and memorize what that figure is, here on AutoCAD is right in front of you. You can then be able to utilize the answer that you got from your calculation. But if it is a complicated calculation that you want to do, you can opt for this quick calculation. Let's say you were adding, say you just wanted an inverse of that. So that's what the answer it would give you. So you've got many ways of how to use the calculator. If we wanted to know to calculate the area of this circle, we could also use cal and then say pi times 200, which is the pi r squared. Let's see, what do we get there? We get 125663. So if we want to check that answer, we can go to the properties. We can see that the area is 125663. So I just want to check that answer is correct. Yes, that answer was correct. 125.663.706. So that's how you would also utilize that function of the calculator. If we wanted to draw a circle that is, let's say, 9 times bigger than this circle, so we could go into the command and say draw a circle, and where it says we want a radius, we say cal, and then we say 200 multiplied by 9. It draws the circle for us, which is 9 times the size of that circle. We could also draw that circle at smaller than that, a third or a fifth of that, using the same kind of operation. There is another calculator that we have on AutoCAD. If we type in RPN calc, we will see that what pops up here is an equivalent of the HP 11C. For those of us who are used to operating with this kind of calculator, how did we do it, by the way? Okay, we set RPN we used to say 7, 8, 9, enter 5, was it divide, and that's the answer. So, and again, you can control the precision that you are looking for if you are working in radians or in degrees and all that. So yes, this is a scientific calculator that we have used for quite a while. Another example where we can use the calc function. Let's say we wanted to draw a circle between these 3 faces of these polygons, centered somewhere here. So we would come in here and we say, if I draw a circle, and it's asking us for the center. And here we go again, we put the calculator function, and we actually write in an expression that says mid plus, let me see, yeah, mid plus mid divided by 3. Now it's asking for the entities we want in the middle of that face, in the middle of that face, and in the middle of that face. There's a center. So now we can now specify the radius of the circle that we want. That is just another example where how we can use that that calculator function. If I look at my circle here, and I say properties, you will find that in terms of its radius, I've got the information listed there. If say I wanted to change this radius, and there it was. Let's say now I wanted to divide that by 3. I can simply do that and apply. That will reduce the size of my circle. So in a way, I've been able to use the calculator to modify properties of an object. Oh, here's another way that we can access the calculator by just clicking Control 8 without even typing on the command CAL. Oh, this is quite fancy. Well, I hope this video has been of assistance to you in terms of showing you how you can use these calculators that are embedded in Civil 3D. Thank you very much.